Kwaba kuhle kuphinze ngihlangane nawe mbukele etindzabeni la ku SABC lesithula bukhoma etindlini tekusakata te SABC eAuckland Park eJozi. Lishonile Ngwane.
I would have strongly motivated against the de-establishment. If I had been approached for a comment, I would have.
Inhloko yeliphiko letekushushishwa kwemphakathi KwaZulu-Natal Advocate Elaine Harrison uthi kube yakhulunyiswa ngabe yalwisana nekuhlakatwa kwelithimba lelibuke kubulawa kwabosopolitiki iPKTT.
We can build a city where all our children, regardless of what they look like, and for as long as they are willing to work hard, there should be a government that must stand up ready to lift them up.
Liqembu le-Democratic Alliance elimemetele Hanif Hossin njengaloto olumelele elikhethweni lekuba ngusodolobha waseThekwini elikhethweni lasemakhaya eminyakeni lotako.
Another Champions League game at home. I think for us, we want to get to the next round.
I-Orlando Pirates ichubekele mbili nemidlalo yayo ye-CAF Champions League ngemgcibelo kulandzela kuphumelela ngemagoli lamathathu lahlobile emidlalweni wayo ne-DOD FC. Inhloko yeliphiko letekushushishwa kwemphakathi KwaZulu-Natal Advocate Elaine Harrison ithi kube yakhulunyiswa ngabe yalwisana nekuhlakatwa kwelithimba lelibuke kubulawa kwabosopolitiki iPKTT. Harrison bekakhuluma ngembi kwekhomishana yamadlanga.
Inhloko yeliphiko letekushushisa KwaZulu-Natal Advocate Elaine Harrison ubene kufuna ukucacisa ukuthi ngembono wakhe lithimba lamaphoyisa belibukene namacala ekubulala kweminotho politiki belisebenta nekuthi kube wake wakhulunyiswa ngolozaba ngaphambi kwamhlati nge-31 enyangeni ngongoni nga-2024 nekutawuhlakatwa loluphiko bekatasiphikisa leso sinqumo.
I would have strongly motivated against the de-establishment. If I had been approached for a comment, I would have.
Ngaphambili nekomishana imvebufakazi bekuthi izathu lesavetwa ngomchuno ekuhlakateni loluphiko kwaba kuthi kubulala lokweminotho politiki kwenteka ngaphambi kweminyaka ka-1994 kanti nje lokho lokwenteka nyalo kubulawa nje kwabantu.
I would say it's incorrect. There were political killings in the year 2019.
Nanubeke bufakazi ba Harrison ekuhlakatweni kwaloluphiko lwamaphoyisa buhambisana nalobo bajenene Mukhwanazi najenene Masimula. Kepha-ke uthanze kwehlukana kuta etinsolweni letendiwe ngebashushise ekhocisweni kwamacala wathi izathu lokho khociswa kwamacala tiyaphatheka.
There was no need to lodge any proceedings. The first step was, let's have a look at these dockets and determine whether or not they had in fact committed the offenses of defeating. And unfortunately, upon reading the dockets, the decisions made by the prosecutors were found to be justified.
Sikhulu seliphiko letebunhloli jenene Dumisani Khumalo elihlangothile lobugebengu kulenzeleke ukuthi singene ebhokisini ngemsombuluko mhla tinge-24 kulenyanga lesetulu.
Lisekela lamabhalane jikelele lecala le-ANC Nomvula Mgonyane alikafuni kuphawula ngetinsongo letendiwe iPatriotic Alliance tekushiya evikini lelitako lohulumende welibubando wavelonke nokuba yindvuna. Umholi wePatriotic Alliance Gayton Mackenzie ubhale kuFacebook ukuthi uma nje lisekela lakhe Kenny Kunene lingabuyiselwe esikhundleni sekuba lunga lomkhandlu wasodolobha etikweni letekutfutse eJozi, licembu lakhe litawuphuma kulobuhlobo kwalo ne-ANC.
Within 7 days, if Kunene is not back in his position, every PA member in JB Marks, every PA coalition with the ANC, you withdraw with immediate effect.
I-Patriotic Alliance negete umlingano wayo kulohulumende wolubumbano wavelonke umncamla jucu. Lokhu kulandzela kubuyiselwa esikhundleni kwelisekela lemengameli kulelihlangano Kenny Kunene emva kweliphenyo lwendiwe inkampani yetemthetho lebeyiniketwe loyo msebenzi. Le nkampani ithole Kunene amsulwa etinsolweni etimayamanisa nemsolo eceleni lekubulala katiso mlife. Mokonyana akatsanzi kuphawula kuloludzaba naletinsolo lekubonakala tanza tekungenela kwetepolitiki letibekwa indvuna yelitiwe tamaphoyisa senzo mchunu kukomishana yamadlanga.
The ANC has got channels to interact with the Patriotic Alliance. Same as it goes with Comrade Senzo, there are processes.
Kusenjalo Mokonyana uvakashele indlu lebekadze isetshenziswa sishikashikise emzabalazo lesingasekho Winnie Madikizela Mandela kubamba imihlangano yangasese. Emva kweminyaka le ndlu nyalo seyisetshenziswa njengesikhungo sengulisa. Mokonyana ucele amalunga ANC ukuthi achubeke lapho agcina khona Madikizela Mandela ngekubeka embili imfuno tebantfu angakhumbuli nje amalunga emphakathi nakukhangaselwa likhetho.
We are teaching those that are coming after Nomzamo to say, love them, be amongst them, live amongst them. And when it is time to cry, cry with them. When it is time to mourn, mourn with them. When it is time to celebrate, celebrate with them. Don't only come to them to seek a vote.
Licembu le-DA limemetele ukuthi nguHanif Hussein lota ungenelela umchuthelwano wesikhundla sasodolobha kumasipala weThekwini elikhethweni leminyaka lotako. Umholi we-DA Johnston Hazen uthi leli cembu likulungele kulungisa tingcinamba tekungalethwa kwetidzingo ncandi kulo masipala.
Umholi we-Democratic Alliance Johnston Hazen ushiyela likhohliwe uma anyembenya inhlangano yaJacob Zuma MK kanye nenhlangano ye-EFF lapho athe khona inhlangano atakhi kepha tiyabhidla tibuye tebe.
These are desperate times, and desperate times tempt people to look for radical solutions. But we know the truth, that the MK and the EFF are not builders, they are breakers, and they are looters. They've got no plan, no vision, and no interest in serving you.
Lomholi we-DA uthi lelive kanye namasipala omkhulu waseThekwini kubonakala ngathi sekulukhuni kubona ngasolinye. Stenhazen wexwayise ukuthi kuhamba kwagesi kanye netinsolo tebugebengu lobendeka emantini kubuyisela lelive emuva.
You deserve a government that's going to be on your side, not working against you. You deserve a government that's going to put water in your taps, fix your roads, make sure you've got street lights, keep your family safe, make sure the economy keeps moving.
Lona lokacele sikhundla sekuba ngisodolopha eThekwini Hanif Hussein uthi DA ngeke kuphela inhlangano lekhona kuniketa ngekulingana emiphakathini yakuleli. Wendela ubito lwekuthi kube nelubumbano ngekhathi kwalenhlangano ukuthi bakhona ukuthatha lo masipala omkhulu waseThekwini ubuye ube nekutinda ube nempumelelo lapho kutawuba khona nebuholi lobucotho.
We can build a city where all our children, regardless of what they look like, and for as long as they are willing to work hard, there should be a government that must stand up ready to lift them up. Whether they are black or white, Indian or colored. This is what equality.
I-DA iphumelele kuthola wat 64 ngetulu kwa 60% umavote evikini lelengcile. Hussein bekalikhansela seThekwini ngaphambi ukuthi aye eParliament kusula nga-2007 kuya ku-2024.
Indvuna elitiko letekubusa ngikubambisana netindzaba tenzabuko vele enkosini Hlabisa ithi imbangela yekulahleka kwebatshali timali kungaholwa ngendlela lefanele kwabomasipala kanye nekungalethwa kwetidzingo ncandi ngalokuphelele. Hlabisa bekakhuluma emhlanganweni wetemabhizinisi eGqeberha eMpumalanga Kapa. Inhloso ke yalomhlangano ukuthi kute nelisu lekucinisa umnotho njengoba lelive libukene netingcinamba kutemnotho.
Masipala weNelson Mandela Bay sewube nemabambela ebaphathi bamasipala labalishumi kusukela nga-2020 kanti kulesikhathi sembuso sanyalo sewushintshe bosodolobha labane. Baholi bemabhizinisi bathi lokungadindi kwalo masipala kwendela phansi kukhula kwemnotho kuphindze kwehlise lithemba.
If the metros, instead of becoming better, yet housing the majority of the population, we are heading for a disaster.
Lo mhlangano uhlose kugwema kusolana kepha uhambise embili emaqiniso kute uphunywe netisombululo. Kwanyalo kusephunywe ukuthi kucalwe ngekulungiswa tingoni letincane tekwetfulwa kwetidzingo ncandi bese kucutshekelwa embili.
This meeting here was a breakthrough in terms of how to unlock the business in order to ensure that we grow the economy.
Lo masipala lomkhulu weNelson Mandela Bay ukwemukele lokuphakanyiswe litiko.
The Nelson Mandela Bay municipality welcomes the Minister of Cocta's call to strengthen ties between municipalities and business chambers.
Hlabisa uhalalisele Nelson Mandela Bay Business Chamber ngekuphakamisa ukuthi kufukulwe kuphinzwe kuciniswe umnotfo wendzawo. Uphinze wathi lokhu kungabasita labo masipala labakhulu labasiphohlongo velonke uma bangakukopa bakusebenzise.
Kuletinye ke uma sibiye titolo. Sibhedlela setintswalo eMpumalanga asikho sesimeni lesingiso ngekusho kweBRA. Wemkelekile mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba uma ucetha kungena ukhethe kahle tisekhona hlala nathi. Ifakelwa tibuko indlela lokuphathwa ngayo tigulane esibhedlela setintswalo eAkhonhoek eMpumalanga. Takamuti tikhala ngekuthi lesibhedlela sinamandi kanti futhi takhiwo taso asikaphephi. Inhlangano yetepolitiki Better Residents Association ishucele kulesibhedlela ifuna uhulumende ukuthi angenelele.
Atakamuti edungakile tufuna lusito lwetempilo lolungcono. Lesibhedlela sikho esimeni lesikahle kanti-ke njengoba nemandi kuyinkinga lenkulu letinye tigulane thola lusito ngaphandle kanti-ke tiphinze tikhale nangekungaphatheki kahle tendleni titisebenzisa esibhedlela.
I once go there to give birth. I share a bed with another lady who was also pregnant. You can imagine 9 months pregnant, both of you sharing a single bed.
You come here for consultation, then 5 o'clock, 17 hours passed. They refer you back home. While you are on the way, you are getting your disease getting worse, then we are losing our lives.
Inhlangano iBetter Residents Association ifuna uhulumende angenelele.
Most of the time, mostly at the labor, when our sisters, mothers come to deliver here to give birth, they bring buckets to help themselves with the water. Sometimes they call us as families to bring them water. So it's unhealthy, this one. We can't, it's unacceptable actually.
Tibhedlela tinsathu kumasipala waseBushbuck Ridge lokufaka ikhasi mapulaneng namatikwana tisesimeni lesibucayi kakhulu. Litiwe tempilo kulesifundza likhala ngetinkinga tekunganeli kweliphakathi imali njengembangela lesimo kanti-ke lithi letibhedlela tawulungiswa.
Kune maintenance team ku department le budget allocate ukuthi lapho kunema challenges khona la tsinga ukuthi kunakwa ngokusheshwa siyayithumela ukuthi ebese iyalungisa while kulungiswa the bigger part of which reconstruction yato tonke tibhedlela letikhona ngale eBushbuck Ridge.
Kwakhiwa kwesibhedlela sasemapulanenge kulenzeleke ukuthi kuphele ngenyanga yenhlaba nga-2026.
Lisekela lasihlalo webhodi yeNgonyama Trust Advocate Linda Zama lithi liyaqhubeka luphenyo lwenkhohlakalo lalokufaka loyo bekangusihlalo wale bhodi Sipho Jerome Ngwenya. Advocate Zama uphinze wathi kufakwe isicelo enkantolo lephakeme Pietermaritzburg sekuthi Ngwenya abhadale 30 million wemarandi esikhwameni seNgonyama.
We welcome the judgment or the court order of the 22nd of September.
iNgonyama Trust mele umhlaba ongama-hectare angu-2.8 million esifundazweni KwaZulu Natal kanti ithola izigidi zamarandi ngokuqashwa kwendawo. Umbango phakathi kukaNgwenya kanye nebhodi leNgonyama Trust ophele enkantolo ubumayelana nokudayiswa komhlaba ngenkathi esewusihlalo waleli bhodi. Ibhodi ladayisela umasipala weTheku ingxenye yomhlaba oseHammersdale ngo-2022. Ngenkathi kudayiswa uNgwenya kuthiwa wayalela abameli ababelekelela umasipala ukuthenga ukuthi bakhokhe izigidi ezingama-30 amarandi enkampanini yabameli iJAFTA Incorporated. Inkantolo inqume ukuthi kwabe kungekho emthethweni lokhu yayalela uNgwenya ukuthi abuyisele esikhwameni imali engu-30 million wamarandi.
Umnumzana uNgwenya ngaphandle kwesivumelwano sebhodi esimgunyazayo wabe ngayedwana decide ukuthi angasikhipha lokwesithi instruction kwabameli ukuthi baqale batransfer. Abagcina ngake ngemali ebekufanele ibuye ize eNgonyama Trust okuyona ebiwu-30 million.
Ibhodi lithi uphenyo luyaqhubeka ngezinsolo zokungaziphathi kahle kukaNgwenya. Imizamo yokuthola uNgwenya ukuthi aphawule iphunzile. Mlondi Khatebe, SABC News, Pietermaritzburg.
Sikubutile ke mbukeli ukuthi lokujikiswa kwebantu bangaphandle kwaleli nabafuna lisite emtholampilo kutakubhekubhethekisa kangakanani tifo letithelelwa nako. Umbono wakho uyalandzela.
Funa umongameli balamazwe bathethisane babonisane kuba thina sote sifake inyawo ezinodaka. Le nto ingafunekiyo ke le.
Izifo ezosulalana nayo zizawubanda ngakumbi xa bangavunyelwa ukuthi bathole umtholampilo kodwa ke kulungile bangawutholi yonke into abayifunayo eMzantsi Afrika ngoba bazawulibala ukuthi bandwendwele ayilolizwi labo eli.
Ukujikisa kwebantu etibhedlela bangaphandle kutawenda ukuthi tifo letithathalanako tanze kakhulu kule live lase-South Africa ngoba nawe uthi uyabuka tifo letinyende kakhulu ibuya emaveni angaphandle. Ngingabeka sibonele i-COVID-19 nayo ngiletinye bebe tibuya emaveni angaphandle.
Laba abokubuya ngaphandle kuze letifo leti tibaphethe tingabhebhetheki la sihlala khona abathole kulashwa lana emakliniki ngoba nabo bangabantu bafuna lusido.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC etethweswa kutiphendvulela ngawo. Mvunankulu wele Israel Benjamin Netanyahu bekakhuluma nebemave endlini yabayesikhulu yamhlabuhlangeni. Akhuluma nje ubukene nengcinzetelo lenkulu ngalempi lechubekako eGaza. Kanzi ngala kuphume incwadi legunyata ukuboshwa kwakhe lebuye enkantolo lelwa nebugebengu yakamhlaba. Netanyahu uthethe lelithuba ukuthi atikhulumele kutatogwema kuboshwa. Kusenjalo lihhovisi lakhe likhiphe umyalo lothi lenkulumo yakhe ayisakadwe ngemsindvo lomkhulu kute tonke tinkhalo teGaza tive. Lokuthi akwentiwe nanobe masotsha ase-Israel athi kutawulimata tingcondvo tebantfu bele Palestine. Netanyahu ugcizelelene ukuthi akukhululwe bonke labathunjiwe labengemashumi ngalokukhulu kushesha kute kuphela lempi.
So to the remaining Hamas leaders and to the jailers of our hostages, I now say, lay down your arms. Let my people go. Free the hostages. All of them, the whole 48, free the hostages now. If you do, you will live. If you don't, Israel will hunt you down. Ladies and gentlemen, if Hamas agrees to our demands, the war could end right now.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi iNingizimu Afrika ingasetshenziswa njengenzawo yechuba tinkulumo tekuletha kuthula emkhathini kwamengameli wase-Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky namengameli wele-Russia Vladimir Putin. Ramaphosa bekakhuluma eNew York lapho bekahambele khona umhlangano wamhlabuhlangeni.
Ngemva kwamalanga lamane kudzingidwa tinkinga nentfutfuko le-7 le-Ukraine kulandzela umhlangano wamengameli Ramaphosa namengameli Zelensky ngolwesithathu.
He now is ready for negotiations without any preconditions and urges us to put the same message across to President Putin, which we will and which we continue to. So our role in this whole drama is to try and see how best we can get the parties to talk and to negotiate.
Ramaphosa uphindze wahambela umhlangano wetinvuna we-G20 loholo indvuna yelitiko letebudlelwano nalamanye emave lapho sikhulu sasemelika sisole i-G20 kutsi ngathi ayisindi umsebenzi wayo kahle.
We will not spend hours debating out-of-touch social initiatives disconnected from growth and stability. Instead, we will concentrate on priorities that directly strengthen our economies and benefit our citizens.
Mengameli uphendvule ngalendlela.
It's a call for people to be treated on an equal basis. And we as South Africans say this advisedly because as a nation we suffered under the brand and the horror of unequal treatment. So we advocate for this from our own experience, from our own knowledge. And the issue of diversity and, if you like, solidarity, we do believe that the strong must help the weak.
Mengameli Ramaphosa kulendzele ukuthi abuye kuleli lamuhla ebusuku.
Nasivakashele timakethe tetimali sithola ukuthi lirandi lehlile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. I-Orlando Pirates itawudlala umlende wesibili we-CAF Champions League kusasa nelicembu laseLesotho iDioli. Lo mdlalo utawudlalwa enkundleni yetemidlalo i-Orlando. Magebhula lomnyama waguqisa iDioli ngemagoli lamathathu ecanzeni evikini lelengcile eBloemfontein emlendeni wekuqala.
iPirates ayikaqali kahle kule season kepha lokushintshile njengoba kamuva ishisa tikhotha anoma leli qembu lidlala kahle kepha kuba madima njengoba kufuthi lidlala imicuzelwane leminyindi.
It's very difficult to when you are playing in many competitions like that to have the right balance between the fatigue, to have everybody fresh, and to have a look in these games.
Kusenjalo relebohile Mofokeng amanga tulolonga ngolwesihlanu.
I have to speak with my medical department to see what is going on. Really, it's important player for us, but if we have to speak with the medical department. I cannot tell you more about him.
Kusinathi sibisi usilomdlalo wabo neliyo lubaleke kakhulu njengoba badlala ekhaya.
Another Champions League game at home. I think for us, we want to get to the next round, and in order for us to get to the next round, I think we have to win the game tomorrow.
Kusizini lenkili Pirates ifinyelele emidlalweni lowandvulela umanqamu kweqala nganje ngoba yagcina nga-2013 kanti kule season ihlose kuphumelela lenzebe.
Kunasibusiso Mahlalela kulethi hamba embili kulethi phuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Sibu
Alishone Mlingane sivuselena kumbukeli ekhaya. Nathi ke lesiphethe ehlelweni namohla nzamba manje ngoba ke siyawubaka bani neke imbizo yokulana ebugebengu lebekathe ibanjwe elikwatini kusukela sifundza sempumalanga lapho sitawuba khona nelitiko letekuphepha kuvikeleka kayeke nekuxhumana kwawo ke umango kulesifundza sempumalanga ukuthi ke sitawubaka bandi nayi imbizo ngetilo kwaloko siyawuba nenhlangano Operation Dudula njengoba ikhala ngekwanzo kubantu bana bebachamuka kule live kuti kolelo litahlukahlukene ecisisakane sifundza sase Gauteng siboleke indlebe ngesimbi yesithupha kusomade bensimbi yesikhombisa kuhlelo letiphuma embiteni bela sondwelehle mbukeli ekhaya asibonge nakuloke lithimba sibisela Nzambe Goli.
Sibonge Sibu. Diphela lapho ke talamuhla asiphinze sihlangane ngalokutako letelama leti tingensimbi yesikhombisa kuyo lenkhundla ngesixhosa. Impela sonfo lenhle mbukeli sikhona simo selitulu ngemva kwetitolo.